Tired of your printer hogging precious desk space? This rolling printer stand might just be the solution you've been searching for. It promises to declutter your workspace and add a touch of modern organization, but does it actually deliver? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the build quality feels surprisingly sturdy. The material is described as durable, and it certainly has a solid feel to it. Assembly is straightforward, which is always a plus when you're eager to get your new gadget set up. The structure feels stable, and the load-bearing capacity seems more than adequate for most home or office printers, even those larger copier machines. What really sets this stand apart is its versatility. It's not just for printers. The ample storage space means you can easily stash away fax machines, CD players, or even use it as a bookshelf. The modern, neat appearance means it won't look out of place in any home or office setting. It's also marketed as a plant pot tray, and honestly, it would look quite chic with a few greenery additions. The real star of the show, though, has to be the 4-caster wheels. They glide smoothly, making it incredibly easy to move the stand around your office. Need to access the back of your printer? No problem. Want to tuck it away when not in use? A gentle push is all it takes. And for those times you want it to stay put, the locking design on the wheels is a thoughtful touch, preventing any accidental rolling. This mobility is a huge convenience, especially in smaller spaces. The storage area is generous, easily accommodating standard printers and copiers. It's designed to keep your workstation organized, which is a constant battle for many of us. Whether you're using it to house your printing equipment or as a stylish spot for your favorite plants, it serves its purpose admirably. Overall, this rolling printer stand is a well-designed and practical addition to any workspace. It offers a sturdy, mobile, and multifunctional storage solution that's both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. If you're looking to reclaim your desk and bring some order to your office chaos, this stand is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.